To mend your sweater with a Scotch darning stitch, secure your knit on this surface. You can use a darning mushroom or a cork pad like I do. Thread your needle with a wool thread and start by leaving the tail of the thread on the side. We will take care of these loose ends at the end of the darning. Now pass the needle inside every stitch of the knit so none of them get loose after the mending is done. The method of the Scotch darning stitch is very similar to that one of the blanket stitch. You pass the needle inside the loop of the working thread and you tighten it. The difference is that you have a thread inside the loop. This will help you to recreate the missing fabric when you will be working on the hole. Make dense loops of the Scotch darning stitch as you will need to recreate the fabric to cover the hole. Be careful not to miss any of the stitches of your knit. After you finish the first row, make a long stitch to the opposite side of the hole. This will create a base for the second row of the Scotch darning stitch. Now work the second row of the Scotch darning stitch just like you worked the first one. As you can see, Scotch darning stitch recreates the fabric where the hole is. Now that you reach the lower part of the hole, be careful to gather all the open stitches from your knit, just like you did in the beginning. When you run out of thread, park the end of the thread on the side and thread your needle with a new length. Just like in the beginning, let the end of the thread stay on the side and continue stitching. All the mending is done, now it's time to take care of the loose threads on the back. Turn your knitwear around and stabilize it on the cork pad. Pull all the threads to the back so it's comfortable to work with them. Thread your needle with one of the ends of the threads and hide the thread inside the knitwear. Carefully pass the needle under the stitches so it's not visible from the front side and stable on the back. Repeat it with all the threads so none of the loose ends is visible on the back. After all the threads are secured, you will have a flexible, neat mend that will cover the hole.